Hey YouTube, so I'm back. I'm showing y'all these goddess box braids that I did. This is my first time ever trying to do this style in my life, so yeah. Don't judge me, but I'm showing you guys because you said you wanted to see them on my Instagram. So yeah, I'm about to get into this video and just let y'all watch me like refresh my braids because I did these off of my old platinum box braids, so yeah, y'all will see. About to get into it. So boom, this is a braid I had already finished. I had did a couple of them to practice before I just came on camera and showed y'all, but this is the other one. That's a no-no. My hair is all sticking out, even the hairs of the braid is sticking out. But stuff like this, I won't redo. Like little pieces like this, I won't redo because it's not too loose for me, and I keep my hair pretty much up in a ponytail or some type of up style, so I'll just put oil on those and let them rock out. But this one in the front had to be redone. So my process, I have a video of me refreshing my box braids, but since it was a kind of 2-in-1 with me doing the goddess ones, I thought, why not show you again? So for anyone new, here's your first time seeing it. Anyone that's been on my page, you know I have a video up like this, and I'll put it in the description box. But yeah, so I just take the little rubber bands out and comb my hair out. I use some of my oil, the like wild growth oil I always use, and that's literally pretty much it. I just make sure my hair is fully detangled and moisturized, and I put my gel back in my hair, comb out my edges, and this time when it's refreshed, it does not get a rubber band because since it's already like basically molded into the part and all that, I just leave it and I'll just twist it around so that it stays tight while I'm trying to get the hair together. So there's my old braid that was just in my head, set up the same way it was when it was first put in, and I just started braiding down as normal. And each braid got 2 pieces of the curly hair, which you'll see now. I'm gonna put 1 piece in and start braiding it down and blending it in, and then so to do the goddess box braids, you basically like just take the pieces as you're braiding down and let them stick out of the braid, and you'll see that in a sec. But yeah, I got a little confused, so this is why I said don't judge me, because I was trying to make sure it laid right and I was trying to make sure y'all could see. So yeah, I'm not slow. I was just trying to make sure y'all could see and I was doing it right, because yeah. But here's me taking the hair out, so you got to that part. So yeah, here's me struggling to get another piece of the curly hair separated. But once you get it separated, I just flipped it up into my other hair so that it was out the way. Here's me adding the second piece I was talking about. I made sure to add it when it was going to be able to be my ends, so that's why it's added so much later. And yeah, I just picked out whatever curly pieces I thought were cute. Like, I'm pretty sure I pulled a third piece out of that top curly piece I put in, and it was really, really short. It wasn't even that long. Yeah, that one right there. That might have been from the old one. Some of them, I staggered it when I added the curly piece, so I made it shorter so that it could lay like that. But my ends, I did differently for like all of them in the video. I tried the slip knot method, which I looked up because I so did not understand how girls ended these braids. Some girls use like glue and they just glue it down, and I didn't really want to use glue. A lot of girls had brown ones, so they used hair glue or something. I don't know. I didn't trust it and I didn't want to do it. So Like, I was refreshing them, so the glue just would have been stuck around the little end near all my other braids. Maybe if I was doing them fresh and it just had time to dry, I would have tried the glue method. But yeah, that was not that for this refresher. So I tried the slip knot. I'm really not gonna even say I'm good at explaining it. There's definitely other videos on YouTube that show you how to explain it. But basically, you are wrapping your hair around your fingers and like making a shoe tie, just one around the braid. And I clipped off the ends, the little straight ones that stuck out. But yeah, I just cut them down so they didn't look too weird. That's how the braids come out. Thought they were cute. Cute.
Oh my gosh, this was the night that me and Dash became friends.
Rain, I'm recording.
Oh, yeah, no.
Don't stop my What the? So I'm just gonna let you guys watch me do this one braid, just showing you the braiding hair and 2 pieces of curly hair. Here's me refreshing my braid again, and yeah, I'm not really gonna talk until I get to the ends again, because my ends are the only thing inconsistent in the video. I did a slip knot for the ones shown in the video, but in real life, some of them I braided all the way down, and I didn't do the slip knot because I didn't like some of them. So yeah, some of them I just braided the straight hair all the way down until it was no more really, and just let the curly ends curl up, because I wasn't gluing my hair. I wasn't. And I didn't know what else to do, so I just braided it all the way down. The other ones had the slip knot. It's either braided all the way down or it has the slip knot. So hopefully this is a clear view of the slip knot and what I'm doing. But like I said, if you can't get it, look it up. There's like literally a slow motion video of this girl doing it, and that's how I figured it out. And I just had to do my trials and errors. So yeah, look into that. But that's all for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed watching. Just showing y'all my little braids. You mean, got some pictures coming in now. But like, subscribe, comment. Y'all already know the deal. Bye, YouTube.